Let's unbox the new Surface Pro 9. This generation of Surface Pro sees a packaging improvement for sustainability. As soon as I lift the lid, there's the device. I can pull on the tab to easily get it out of the box, and look at this beautiful new sapphire colour. When we flip it over, we're directed to all of the good things included in the hardware of this device, such as the 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, a Windows Hello camera and dual far-field microphones. No Surface Pro experience is complete without the Surface Signature keyboard, and of course we still have that space to house and charge the Surface Slim Pen 2. Windows 11 has mode detection built into it, so when you take the keyboard off to use Surface Pro 9 as a tablet, the start menu icons will move slightly further apart to become easier to navigate with touch. I love that it just knows. Such a great portable device for out on the go. Surface Pro 9 also welcomes the new forest green colour alongside the beautiful new sapphire and the much loved platinum and graphite colours. The icing on the cake for me has to be the customised Windows 11 backgrounds to beautifully complement the colours of these new devices.